This is Cyndy with Cyndy G SVG, and in this video we're going to assemble the Travel Kentucky box card. So I have identified all my pieces and laid them out to where they go. And I'm going to start here with the front and back of the card. My fingers are inky. Okay. So I'm going to stand this up on my table, but I'm going to line this up right up to that score line. All right. Now, I have already put these two layers together. Make sure you're putting that on the inside and then flip it over and you can attach your film strip to the back for your sentiment. And then your pieces here for your front. You're just going to leave a slight border all the way around. I'm going to pop this with some foam tape. I'm just going to put glue here in the center because I don't want to glue down everything. I just put dimension on. Now I have already put two of my roses together, and we'll just put one together. We'll assemble one together. So you just glue these front petals one to each side. And I'm going to pop these with some foam tape. It's not supposed to stick to these scissors, but it always does. Okay, and then I'm just going to set that aside. Now I'm going to bring in my mint julep. Before I put my drink base on, I'm going to put my straw. Then I'm just going to center this in this top oval. I'll put my mint sprigs on either side of my straw. And then place in my ice cubes. Okay. So that goes together quick and easy. Then I'm going to pull in my horse. Oh, there it is. So you do have one small ear you have to keep track of. The base of the horse is the color of his mane. Okay. All right. Now we just need to put the inserts in. So fold this on the score lines, then open them out flat. We're going to lay this down right up in there in the back here. Make sure it's lined up across the bottom. And do your front layer the same. Then we're going to take these two tabs and put glue on them. You want enough that it's going to stick, but not too much that it oozes over. And then just line those up. I'm going to have to watch this one because that glue did go further than I wanted it to. And then we're going to take this tab here and close the card. Because of all this dimension on the front, I wanted to push it down onto the back so that it didn't get all bent out of shape. And there it is. There is the Travel Kentucky box card. Thank you for joining me.